Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Prince Obiefule and this is Igbo Made Easy. So in our class we are going to be learning the Igbo alphabet. It is called Mkpuru Edemede Igbo. You either call it Mkpuru Edemede Igbo or you call it Mkpuru Okwu Igbo, or you can also call it Abedi Igbo. Mkpuru is fruit, Edemede is writing, and Okwu is word. So Mkpuru Edemede Mkpuru Okwu, then Abedi Igbo. Abidi is ABCD because the alphabets are called A, B, C, D. So we'll just call it Abidi Igbo. Now, quick facts about the Igbo alphabet. There are 36 of them, and in the 36 we have 8 vowels, and the others are consonants. 28 are consonants, and among the 28 consonants we have 9 diphthongs. If you look carefully, I've circled some characters in the Igbo alphabets because these characters are unique to the Igbo alphabet. For example, we have the I with the dot underneath it. Not just that it's unique to the Igbo alphabet, but in this way the Igbo alphabet is different from the English alphabet. These are the characters you find in the Igbo alphabet that you don't find in the English alphabet. So I'm going to just take you through the Igbo alphabet now. This is an introductory part of the class. After this, we are going to have the other session where we take these different segments of the alphabet and master them very well, especially the special sounds like the nye and the gui and the kwe and all of those special sounds that you find in the Igbo alphabet that are not in the English alphabet. So let's dive right in. I'll begin to read. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, W, Y, W, H, I, A, J, K, B, Q, L, M, N, Ng, Ng, Ny, O, P, R, C, Sh, T, U, O, V, W, Y, Z. If you didn't get any sound, you can always rewind the video and pause and take it back and forth until you get the actual sound of it. Not to worry, this is just an introduction to the Igbo alphabet. We are going to have the segment, like I said, where I would take you through and give you a drill on it.